Hey guys, this is a bike check of my new setup. Alright, I got the Sunday First Wave frame going on here. Sunday Morning 2.1 forks. Sunday Tall T bars. Odyssey version 3 stem. Aiken, Odyssey Aiken tire with a Primo N4FL version 2 hub. Sorry about the focus. Odyssey 7KA rim. The back got a 7KA Odyssey Path tire. KHE Free Coaster, the Greyhound. Animal Hamilton pedals. Odyssey 12 bolt right hand drive. Can't see it. Right hand drive, fluorescent yellow cranks. Animal bottom bracket. Sunday Sabertooth chain wheel with Shadow Interlock version 2 chain. Premium seat, Animal seat post, and Odyssey Mr. Clampy 2 seat clamp. Oh, and Odyssey headset. Forgot about that. And that's it. Suelo Tubo grips. And Animal bar ends, which I'm going to switch to Odyssey par ends. And that's it.